There's no denying that Americans love avocados. During Super Bowl festivities alone, 79 million pounds of avocados are eaten. That's roughly 150 million avocados. Research shows that people who eat avocados tend to be generally healthier, with a much higher nutrient intake and lower body mass index than those who don't. So don't just limit your avocado consumption to Super Bowl season. You'll be missing out on these 7 great health benefits if you do. 1. A source of healthy fats. Although the fat content of avocados is high, they contain good fats, including monosaturated fat. This type of fat can reduce the risk of stroke or heart attack, along with the levels of bad cholesterol in the blood. 2. Fight inflammation. Chronic inflammation in the body is thought to be responsible for asthma, allergies, arthritis, Alzheimer's, heart disease, cancer, and most of today's modern diseases. Avocado might just help fight inflammation, thanks to its oleic acid content. Oleic acid has been linked with reduced inflammation in several studies. 3. Healthy skin and hair. With healthy fats and inflammation-fighting properties, avocado can give you smooth skin and glossy hair. One fruit also contains over 20% of your daily dose of vitamin E, which protects body tissue from damage by free radicals, thought to play a role in aging. Instead of buying expensive vitamin E-enriched skincare creams, eat avocados or try avocado oil and fight aging from within. 4. Improved nutrient absorption. When it comes to vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients, it doesn't matter how much we eat. What matters is how much we absorb. Some nutrients are fat-soluble, meaning they need to be combined with fat in order for our bodies to assimilate them. Examples of fat-soluble nutrients include vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K, along with certain antioxidants. The healthy fats in avocado helps absorb these nutrients better. 5. Role in cancer fighting. Research points to avocado being beneficial in fighting cancer. One study has shown that avocado extract may stop or slow the growth of prostate cancer cells. Another has shown that it may help reduce the side effects of chemotherapy. However, these studies are limited, so it may be best just to enjoy avocado for the wealth of other benefits it brings. Improved digestion. Fiber is an important component of any balanced diet. It keeps your digestive system running smoothly. Even though fruits and veggies are absolutely loaded with fiber, it's something that most Americans don't get enough of. Aim to hit your fiber target by eating more avocado. One fruit contains 13 grams, around 54% of your recommended daily fiber intake. 7. Enhance your mood. An avocado a day might cheer you up thanks to its vitamin and mineral content, especially potassium and folate. Some studies have found a link between a lack of potassium and depression. A review of several scientific studies on the relationship between sodium, magnesium, and potassium in depressed patients found that depressed men and women all had low levels of potassium. Folate, too, is important to stave off low mood and signs of depression, something researchers have recognized since the 1960s.